Today we are going to discuss about different world tourism organizations. UNWTO, IATA, ICAO, UFTAA, ASTA, PATA, WTTC, IHRA, IIPT, and WATA are the major world-level tourism organizations that plays vital role in world tourism industry. UNWTO, the United Nations World Tourism Organization. UNWTO is acting as United Nations specialized agency, and responsible for the promotion of responsible, sustainable, and universally accessible tourism in worldwide. UNWTO is founded on January 2, 1975. Headquarters located at Madrid, Spain. And the current Secretary General is Zurab Polo-Likashvili. UNWTO has membership includes 158 countries, 6 territories, and over 500 affiliate members representing the private sector, educational institutions, tourism associations and local tourism authorities. The official languages of UNWTO are Arabic, English, French, Russian and Spanish. UNWTO generates market knowledge, promotes competitive and sustainable tourism policies, and instruments fosters tourism education and training, and works to make tourism an effective tool for development through technical assistance projects. IATA, the International Air Transport Association. IATA is a trade association of the world's airlines. IATA's headquarters located at Montreal, Canada. It includes membership of 290 airlines in 120 countries. IATA is founded on April 19, 1945, at Havana, Cuba. And the Director General and CEO is Alexander de Juniac. Its major responsibility is to serve and support aviation with global standards for airline safety, security, efficiency, and sustainability. ICAO, the International Civil Aviation Organization. ICAO is a specialized agency of the United Nations. It codifies the principles and techniques of international air navigation, and fosters the planning and development of international air transport, to ensure safe and orderly growth. ICAO is formed on April 4, 1947. Headquarters located at Montreal, Canada. And the Secretary General is Fang Liu. UFTAA, the United Federation of Travel Agents Association. UFTAA is an association of travel agents and tour operators. It is one of the largest organizations in the field of travel and tourism industry. UFTAA is formed on November 22, 1966 in Rome. Headquarters located at Brussels, Belgium. And the current president is Sunil Kumar Rumala. UFTAA acts as the negotiating body between travel agents and different international organizations. It is an international forum where matters affecting the world travel industry are addressed, representing and defending the interests of inbound and outbound tour operators, travel and tourism agencies before the governmental bodies, suppliers, and other entities of international scope. It also aims at strengthening its members' image, and enhances the world travel and tourism industry and promotes a sustainable tourism. UFTAA is connected with more than 30,000 travel agencies from 120 member countries. ASTA, American Society of Travel Advisors. ASTA is formed to represent and defend the business and regulatory public policy interests of travel intermediaries, including travel agencies, like traditional agencies, online portals, mega and corporate agencies, small and mid-market businesses, and tour providers, like wholesalers and operators. ASTA is formed on April 20, 1931, New York. Headquarters located at Alexandria, Virginia, United States. And the president and CEO is Zane Kirby. PATA, The Pacific Asia Travel Association. PATA is a membership association working to promote the responsible development of travel and tourism in the Asia-Pacific region. PATA is formed on 1951, Hawaii. Headquarters located at Bangkok, Thailand. PATA's CEO is Mario Hardy, and director is Dr. Chris Bottrill. The main objectives of PATA are: to promote and develop tourism in the Pacific region, to provide timely, up-to-date and informed WTTC, the World Travel and Tourism Council. WTTC is a forum and made up of members from the global business community, and works with governments to raise awareness about the travel and tourism industry. WTTC activities include research on the economic and social impact of the industry. Its organization of global and regional summits focused on issues and developments relevant to the industry. And international tourism awards. WTTC is formed on 1990. Headquarters located at London, United Kingdom. And the president is Gloria Guevara Manzo. IHRA. The International Hotel and Restaurant Association. IHRA is an international trade association representing the interests of the hotel and restaurant industries. IHRA act as an umbrella trade association for worldwide hotel restaurant industry. IHRA is formed on November 1947. Headquarters located at Lausanne, Switzerland. And the president is Dr. Ghassan Adi. IIPT. The International Institute for Peace Through Tourism. IIPT is a non-for-profit organization dedicated to fostering travel and tourism initiatives that contribute to international understanding, cooperation among nations, and improved quality of environment, cultural enhancement, and the preservation of heritage, poverty reduction, reconciliation, and healing wounds of conflicts. And through these initiatives, helping to bring about a peaceful and sustainable world. It is founded on a vision of the travel and tourism to becoming the world's first global peace industry, and the belief that every traveler is potentially an ambassador for peace. IIPT is formed on 1986. WATA. World Association of Travel Agencies. WATA was established to protect the interest of travel agencies worldwide, and to provide them means for collaboration with airlines, hotels, cruises, transport organizations, and other travel vendors. WATA is formed on 1949. Geneva. Headquarters located at Geneva, Switzerland. And the Secretary General is Christine Fournier.